Hello guys, you can see my face cam right here, and here, I'm a girl right now because I'm not a boy. You can see me, if I'm sitting down, you can't see my face. Right now, I'm trying to, work on things. So, Papa's intro's nicer than, you gotta see this, guys. You gotta do it. Like this. So there's my intro. And we need, alright. Alright, yeah, I think that's his intro. So I created Papa's intro. See? Look at his intro. That's all about the intros. I will see you there in the next video.